Hey YouTube, so it's hard to see right here, but in the corner there, one of them chickens has got 4 legs on it. I don't know what happened that caused it. I've read somewhere online it's possibly was a double yolk egg, and the other one just didn't form completely. But I'll pull them out and give you guys a look. So yeah, I'll bring you right back. Here he is. Poor little guy. Wish there was something I could do, but I just don't think there is. Because it's attached to him. We'll see. We'll see how the little guy does. I'm not gonna kill him for nothing. See if he can make it. But if it looks like he's gonna suffer, then I'll change it.